Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and as many of you know, spring is right around the corner, and Walgreens just slid this under our noses. Dollar cleaning supplies. It is their brand, but it's still like really good things for $1. And I was like, what? And I saw it last night around 4 in the morning on a social media ad where it was this commercial on Instagram of a guy cleaning his apartment. And he was talking about putting in a curbside order for $1 each for these products. And I'm like, yeah, it wasn't in the flyer. It wasn't in the store. What's going on? And then I looked it up in the app, and you know what? He was right. So we are going to do a special curbside video about these cleaning products to get them for 90 cents. I'm just going to have to follow their Instagram page just a bit better and see what the influencers for Walgreens are talking about every week because, wow, this is crazy. So these are the 35 count disinfectant wipes, usually $1.99 down to $1, and this must be done curbside only. You're only going to get these products curbside pricing. If you try to buy them in store, they're probably going to be regular price. So keep that in your back pocket. This 3-pack of these microfiber towels for $1. I have been using microfiber since about last winter to clean my bathroom just to cut back on the amount of paper towel I was using. And yes, it does just as good of a job. And we also have these sponges. Don't be shy to look through the complete home cleaning products. Maybe I missed something as well. So from $1.49 down to $1, and this is just a single sponge. However, we got a 3-pack of these stainless steel scrubbers. I think this is just a great thing to have in your stockpile, especially if you're into cleaning. And then we have this scour pad for $1 as well. So like everything, dollar, dollar, dollar. I just like, why wasn't I informed of this? They just slid this in the app very quietly, and I haven't really heard anyone talk about it. So for this offer, we are going to be going with a curbside pickup. And so you're going to hit that box on the left-hand side with the red check. And I think most of you will probably be successful to track some of this stuff down. So what we're going to do for this is we're going to try and get 12 of these items for $12 and then use the code WAG10 and get a bit of savings that way and just roll some Walgreens cash if you might have it. But these like regularly $3.79 for $1, yes. And then these sponges as well. We always need them for various projects. I put 4 of them into a basket, just a mixy match, like whatever you want. You don't have to get the exact items as I. And then if you have cats, sometimes these are really fantastic for getting cat hair off of the sofa or like a pet tower, these disinfectant wipes. And they're also fantastic for like cleaning your kitchen or bathroom. I got 5. I would probably get an order of 12. So 12 items for $12. WAG 10 taking off $1.20. Free curbside pickup. 89 cents in tax. $11.69. I personally would use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay $1.69, and call this a very smart basket. I would move on this ASAP. I mean, $1, and I will definitely be looking at their social media site for Walgreens a lot more closely. They just slid this under the radar. I didn't see it in the flyer, and I even went back to the flyer and was like, how did I miss this? And everybody else missed it too because I haven't seen anyone really talk about it. But this is amazing, especially for spring cleaning or if you want to stock up on these little items for your stockpile. Also, in the wee hours of the morning, 2 different boosters showed up. So I would recommend to load these right away. We have an allergy one and one for next week. I mean, it's just fantastic. And we are definitely going to have some great deals with this next week. But load these right away so they don't disappear on you. And, it's just a little something. Every account a little bit different. One of mine had a 10 back when you spend 40, not the 10 back when you spend 30. Just load them, guys. And also, if you missed my YouTube short yesterday and my other video, Easter candy and some merchandise is 80% off. Not all merchandise, like the larger Squishimals, are not part of it, which I don't really understand, but it is Walgreens. So typically what they do is they have the clearance from like Tuesday right to Saturday, and then Saturday they box everything up. It's sent to a warehouse where it's auctioned off to buyers that do seasonal shelf pulls, kind of like a resale rabbit here on YouTube. He has a big warehouse where he resells like seasonal Dollar General, seasonal Walgreens, if you've ever seen his videos. But buyers like that buy the rest. It does not go to 90, so 80% is it for us. So if you like this cutesy stuff, get out to Walgreens and put in an order for those dollar cleaning supplies. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. That's it for this video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.